My name is Jenny Thompson. I'm a cook and chef with a passion for good, healthy food. I trained at Leeds School of Food and Wine and have over 30 years of experience as a private chef, restaurant owner and teacher. Most importantly, after almost 10 years teaching clients the skills needed for great results in the kitchen, I know what works and what doesn't when it comes to helping you make great food. I would like to give you a free cookery class. If you struggle to know where to start with healthy cooking and you want to be able to cook more confidently, then you'll want to grab this. All you need to do is enter your details in the form and you'll get a confirmation in minutes. Don't worry, we won't send you any spam. You can opt out at any time and we will never share your details with anyone. Thanks for watching. I'd love to see you in the class and I'll see you on the other side.